up, you guys? So I got myself a little toy. It's the Mavic Pro. I've been messing with this sucker just a little bit, not that much actually, but it's been a lot of fun, and I actually created my first video with it just recently. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I love San Diego. I really do. There's nothing like it. I travel a lot. You guys have seen a lot of my pictures and my videos and whatnot. And really, I'm always excited to come back home to San Diego. I mean, we have a little bit of everything. For those of you that don't get out much or, haven't traveled to too many places, let me just say, San Diego has a lot going for it. So, I figured why not make my first video of my hometown, San Diego. Well, La Jolla to be specific. I don't exactly live in La Jolla, but it's part of San Diego, so it counts. Anyways, check this video out. I'm sure I'm going to make plenty more. If there's any places you want me to hit up and shoot a video of, let me know, because it's kind of my thing that I like to do. I may not be great at it. This video may suck. It's my first one, though, and I think it's all right. Anyways, I have fun doing it. My name's Mark, the Stash Box, and I'm out. Until next time, check this video out, share it, like it, view it, whatever, do your thing. Bye, guys.
I can swear